Hope everybody's having a great week. We got about a week till No Name. Got a lot of work to do, so let's go on and get it done. Had to break out the good gun for this one. We got her done. Get the white all painted up. We'll stick the dash in tomorrow. Get the inside done. She's still just sitting. I think we're gonna wait till the last minute for her, as usual. Hey, digging the old trailer off. Time to wire and mount everything back up. Well, let's get to it. Cool thing here, old Chevrolet color coats everything, as long as you can figure out what the colors are. Well, see, my birthday's coming up, and I think I'm getting old, but somehow I can remember how to put all this back together after a couple of weeks. I'm guessing that's brown and that's tan. I don't know. We'll find out. Same thing on the right side. 3 different color greens, 2 different color grays. Y'all remember old Krusty? Oh, looks totally different now. I'm not gonna lie. This was very simple, but extremely aggravating. A lot of tight spaces. And I got her done for the most part. Looks pretty good compared to what she used to. I don't know, what you think?
Brand new caddy. Everybody wanting this. Everybody wanting that. Everybody want your boy to explode on the track and bring home a bag. Everybody talking shit. Man, everybody getting smacked. Everybody beefing on the
Really don't need to waste your energy hating me. I work too damn hard to worry about your fucking feelings and thoughts about me. I know who I am and what I'm worth. But if you must keep hating while watching my every move, enjoy the show.